Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can trade on Bybit. So in order to trade on Bybit, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and check your internet connection and log in into your Bybit account. You can also use a web browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So basically, when you're logged into your Bybit account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now right on this page, you can either go to trading both from the top, and or you can just go to the trade icon located right at the bottom. So this is basically where you can go ahead and trade on Bybit. So first thing, when you're actually trading on Bybit, you need to make sure that your account is verified. In my case, I don't happen to have a verified account, so I won't be able to proceed on to the next step. So I'm just going to instruct you. So you can go ahead and select what you actually want to buy or sell whatsoever, and if you want to buy it or use it, just go ahead and tap on the use button and go through the instructions, and that's basically how you can trade on Bybit. And likewise, if this is not a convenient method, then you can go to the trade icon located right at the bottom, and from here you can just go to buy or sell, and likewise you can just go ahead and perform all sort of stuff. So that's basically how you can trade on Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.